How many hours did you spend during your last project cycle simply formatting reports, tracking down data across disjointed emails, or wordsmithing communications for difficult stakeholders? If you are like most engineering and construction project managers, administrative friction consumes a massive percentage of your week. Welcome to Lesson 1.1, What Claude and AI Actually Is. This course is a practical introduction to artificial intelligence, stripped of technical hype and dense software jargon. Our objective today is to ground this technology in plain, professional language, focusing entirely on how it alters your actual day-to-day workflow. We want to look past the speculative headlines and focus on the immediate engineering context. This matters because project teams are being crushed under an ever-growing mountain of documentation, regulatory requirements, and communication data. By understanding what this software really is, you can start using it to clear the administrative fog and focus on your core technical responsibilities. First, let's clear up the confusion regarding what AI is at a fundamental software level. A common mistake professionals make is viewing artificial intelligence through the lens of science fiction, as an independent, thinking entity that can run a project on autopilot. Let's correct that misconception immediately. At its core, artificial intelligence is software designed to execute specific tasks that historically demanded human cognitive effort. We are talking about processing language, organizing scattered information, identifying hidden patterns across spreadsheets, and generating structured written content. To operate safely and effectively in a project environment, you must frame AI correctly in your mind. Think of it as an exceptionally fast document assistant, an automated reporting support tool, a communication drafting assistant, a structured thinking partner, and an overall workflow efficiency tool. Conversely, let us be completely clear about what AI is not. It is not human intelligence. It possesses no independent professional judgment. It is not a licensed engineer. It is not a contract decision maker. And it is absolutely never an accountable project authority. If a claim notice goes out with a mathematical error, or a regulatory response violates local statutory guidelines, the liability rests squarely on your shoulders, not the software's. The key message to carry with you is this: AI is not replacing professional expertise. AI is amplifying professional productivity. It frees you from routine typing so you can dedicate more hours to complex engineering design and commercial negotiation. Now, let's look specifically at the system we will be focusing on throughout this course, Claude. Now that we have established what AI is broadly, let us look at the specific platform you will be mastering in this program. Claude is what computer scientists call a large language model, or an LLM. This is an advanced AI system trained on vast datasets to interpret natural human language, understand dense written context, and generate structured professional outputs. The best way to envision Claude is as an incredibly sharp, tireless digital assistant that processes text-based information at near instantaneous speeds. It doesn't look at the world through cameras or construct physics models from scratch. It reads, reorganizes, analyzes, and writes text. For a project manager, this matters because our world is entirely built on text, from specifications and email chains to contract structures and commercial notices. Skipping forward past our core material inputs and outputs, let's lift the hood and understand how the software actually processes language. Let us take a step back and look at what is happening under the hood when you click Submit in Claude. You do not need a degree in data science to use AI professionally, but you do need to understand its core operating mechanism to avoid dangerous errors. The software operates through a highly efficient, sequential process flow. First, the system executes the reading stage, analyzing your explicit text instruction word by word. Second, it moves to pattern recognition, where it maps your text against the structural linguistic patterns it has analyzed across its training base. Third, it steps into prediction, computing which words logically belong together based on the context you provided. Finally, it enters the generation phase, rendering the text output on your screen. This process matters because it changes how you interpret the software's behavior. The AI isn't browsing the web live to find an absolute truth, nor does it think the way a human engineer thinks. It is executing a sophisticated pattern recognition and token prediction workflow. Knowing that it works through this structured prediction loop, let's see how this plays out in practice by contrasting traditional project management work with AI-assisted workflows. To appreciate why this technology is transforming project execution, let's contrast our traditional operating models with an AI-assisted approach. Consider 3 core project management tasks. First, look at weekly status reporting. Traditionally, you have to collect scattered updates, manually rewrite them for consistency, structure the layout, and handle formatting, a massive administrative burden. In an AI-assisted workflow, you paste your rough updates directly into the model, generate a cohesive, structured draft in seconds, and focus your energy entirely on reviewing and validating the text. Second, consider risk workshop prep. In the traditional model, you spend hours brainstorming standard categories and typing up templates from scratch. With AI, you prompt the system to seed a tailored risk list based on your specific sector and project type, allowing you to instantly begin refining a high-quality register. Third, let's look at meeting minutes. Traditionally, you sit at your desk reviewing handwritten notes, manually organizing actions, and typing out professional summaries. In the AI workflow, you input your raw, chaotic meeting notes, generate a functional action tracker instantly, and validate it for precision. The takeaway here is vital. AI removes repetitive administrative friction, but it never removes your professional responsibility. You are the gatekeeper. Now, let's categorize exactly where AI excels in high-value project management use cases. Where should you deploy Claude to achieve the highest return on investment for your time? The software excels across 5 major language categories. First is structuring information, taking messy, unstructured field notes and converting them into clean, logical corporate reports. Second is drafting communication, building professional stakeholder emails, clear executive summaries, project updates, and formal contractual notices. Third is summarizing content, distilling hundreds of pages of technical reports, extensive meeting notes, dense correspondence, or long contract text into digestible bullet points. Fourth is generating first drafts, rapidly establishing project execution plans, risk registers, status reports, and initial governance documentation. Fifth is reformatting information, shifting data structures seamlessly, such as turning a long narrative update into a clean markdown table or turning notes into letters. Our core principle here is simple. AI is strongest in communication-heavy, document-heavy workflows. It is a linguistics powerhouse. Now, to keep your project out of trouble, let's look at what the software is fundamentally bad at. Just as we must exploit AI's strengths, we must fiercely manage its critical limitations. Every professional using Claude must memorize these 4 risk zones. First is hallucination, the model confidently creating fabricated data, such as inventing a non-existent contract clause reference. Second is missing context. If your project background is incomplete, the AI will generate generic, highly irrelevant outputs. Third is false confidence. The text will read beautifully, sounding highly authoritative and technically credible, while being entirely wrong on the facts. Fourth is poor commercial and technical judgment. The software does not understand contract law or structural mechanics. It misses critical contractual nuances and can introduce subtle logic errors that violate project rules. This gives rise to our unnegotiable professional rule. Never assume AI output is automatically correct. Always verify facts, base assumptions, data references, technical logic, and contractual wording before any document leaves your desk. Let's look at the correct workflow structure to implement this safety check. To protect your project from the risks of errors, you must use the correct operating model, positioning AI inside your existing workflows, never replacing them. This model uses a strict 5-step interaction loop. In step 1, the human professional defines the clear strategic objective. In step 2, the human provides the high-quality data and necessary project context. In step 3, the AI takes that data and generates a structured draft. Crucially, the loop returns to the human for step 4, where you thoroughly review and validate the text. Only after that validation check do we proceed to step 5, where the human issues the final output under their own authority. If we look at the division of responsibilities, the matrix is explicit. The AI is solely responsible for drafting, structuring, and summarizing. The human professional owns validation, commercial judgment, technical approval, and absolute final accountability. The AI is the engine, but you are the steering wheel. Let's bring everything we've learned together in our final summary. As we conclude our introductory lesson, let us consolidate the 5 core principles that will guide you through this training program. First, always view AI as a productivity multiplier. Claude is a world-class drafting assistant, but it can never replace your hard-earned human technical expertise. Second, remember that AI operates via language prediction, not conscious reasoning. The quality of your background context directly determines the safety and value of the output. Third, deploy AI primarily within document-heavy and communication-heavy workflows to eliminate repetitive admin work. Fourth, remain highly vigilant regarding AI limitations. Hallucination, false confidence, and weak technical logic mean professional validation is mandatory for every single run. Fifth, your professional responsibility remains completely unchanged. AI supports project managers. It does not replace them. This entire course is constructed around this exact philosophy. We are not here to debate technology theory. We are here to master practical, safe, AI-powered workflows that give you back hours of your week. In our next module, we will log into the interface and construct your very first structured prompt sequence. See you in the next lesson.